What is the proper way to access the fuse box? In this guide, we will explore where the fuse box is located in the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro and how its diagram is structured. How do you identify the exact fuse for each component? Let's find out. Engine compartment fuse block. Engine compartment fuse block houses fuses and relays that protect vital engine components. It features labeled circuits for easy identification, ensuring proper function of electrical systems like the fuel pump and cooling fans. The fuse block cover provides protection against debris and moisture. Rear compartment fuse block. It is located in the trunk, offering protection for circuits related to rear electrical systems such as the taillights, rear defogger, and audio system. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and maintenance, along with a protective cover to safeguard against moisture and debris.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.